Hello student, in today's lecture we see another property number 3. If one of the regression coefficient is greater than unity, then the other must be less than unity. That is, if one regression coefficient is greater than unity, that means greater than 1, then other must be less than 1. So proof, assume that both the regression coefficients are greater than unity. Then we use the both coefficients are greater than unity, that is byx greater than 1 and bxy greater than 1. Therefore if byx greater than 1 and bxy greater than 1, then their multiplication is also greater than 1. Therefore byx into bxy is greater than 1. But we know that byx into bxy is equal to r square. This is we see in property number 2nd, and r square is less equal 1. Hence byx into bxy is greater than 1 is impossible. That is, both the regression coefficient is greater than unity. Thus, if one of the regression coefficient is greater than unity, then the other must be less than unity, and hence the proof. Next, fourth property. The arithmetic mean of regression coefficients is greater than the correlation coefficients if correlation coefficient is positive. That is, arithmetic mean of regression coefficient is greater than the correlation coefficient if correlation coefficient is positive. Proof, we are given that r is greater than 0. Now consider arithmetic mean of regression coefficient byx plus bxy upon 2. That is, this is regression of coefficient and this is regression of coefficient. Mean of these two, that is byx plus bxy upon 2, is equal to value of byx and bxy upon 2, which is equal to, take r by 2 common, and in bracket after solving this, that is cross multiplication, b sigma y square plus sigma y square plus sigma x square upon sigma x into sigma y. This is equation number 1. And now consider sigma x minus sigma y bracket square greater equal 0, being square of deviation. Reason of this is being square of deviation. Therefore use here a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square, a is sigma x and b is sigma y. Therefore sigma x square minus 2 into sigma x into sigma y plus sigma y square greater equal 0. Therefore sigma x square plus sigma y square is greater equal 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Therefore sigma x square plus sigma y square upon sigma x into sigma y is greater equal 1, and multiplying both the sides by r, we have sigma x square plus sigma y square upon 2 into sigma x into sigma y into r is greater than 1 into r. Reason, since r greater than 0. Therefore byx plus bxy upon 2 is greater than r from equation number 1, and hence the proof. In equation 1, value of byx plus bxy upon 2 is sigma x square plus sigma y square upon 2 into sigma x into sigma y into r. Next property number 5. Regression coefficients are independent of change of the origin but not the scale. Proof, let capital X and capital Y be two variables with standard deviations sigma x and sigma y respectively. Let rxy be the coefficient of correlation between capital X and capital Y, and let byx and bxy be the regression coefficients of capital Y on capital X and capital X on capital Y respectively. Let u transform from capital X and capital Y to new variables and u and v by changing origin and scale. That is, capital U is equal to capital X minus A upon H and capital V is equal to capital Y minus B upon K, where A, B, H greater than 0 and k greater than 0 are constants. We know that correlation coefficient is independent of change of origin and scale. Therefore, R of xy is equal to R of uv. And also, sigma x is equal to h into sigma u and sigma y is equal to k into sigma v, since standard deviations are independent of change of origin but not the scale. These relations are we seen in first chapter. Then by definition, byx is equal to rxy into sigma y upon sigma x is equal to ruv is value of rxy is ruv into sigma y is k into sigma v and sigma x is h into sigma u, which is equal to k by h in bracket ruv into sigma v upon sigma u is equal to k by h into bvu. This is equation number 1. And next correlation coefficient is bxy is equal to rxy into sigma x upon sigma y, which is equal to ruv into h by k into sigma u upon sigma v, which is equal to h by k into ruv into sigma y upon sigma v, bracket complete, which is equal to h by k, and value of this is buv. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we conclude that the regression coefficient are invariant to the change of origin but not scale.